Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds Oladance OWS Pro using your Android device. You have to start by open settings and now go to connected devices. After that click on this settings icon near to your earbuds, and right here we have this pencil icon. Sometimes it's located on the right top. So just click on it and write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna remove this text. And also, I wanna remove this text. Now let's add something like test. And after we finish, click rename. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!